we're on to part 2 of this insect hotel build. If you haven't seen part 1, please go and have a look at that. So for this insect hotel, I found I had 6 of these blocks, so we're going to make some weird shape thing with it. So I'm thinking of going with like a pyramid shape. So I've got just enough to make a pyramid with. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'll have one block up here, but the camera's currently resting on the other block. So I'm going to drill this one out with this drill bit. I'm not sure how what the diameter of this drill bit is. It's a 7mm drill bit. So we're going to drill this out with 7mm holes. So here's this piece of wood drilled with 7mm holes. So if I focus the camera onto this, I might just go 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't need to be exact to this because it's only an insect hotel. It's not like it's precision woodworking. We're going to try not to drop the drill bit and try not to get my head in the camera. I'm going to chuck it up into this chuck. So this is a keyed chuck, which I prefer. They're much safer. There we go. Yep. And we're going to try again. Right, just make sure all these are tightened. Okay, so we've done this one, so as with the rest of them, we'll need to give them sanding because this has been drilled into this side of the wood rather than the end grain. Okay, so with the final one of these blocks, I've decided I'm going to use a spade bit and drill 4 holes. Okay, so all I've done is undone the I don't know how much I can get away with going here. I think that'll be safe enough. Okay, so we basically have our shape here now. So if I line all these up and hope they don't fall off the edge, it's going to look something like that. Yeah. So if you can see that, which you probably can't, I'll move the camera down here. Basically, I'm using a piece of Baltic Birch. It's scrap wood. So yeah, we're going to be left with a tiny bit less. That doesn't bother me too much. I have just realised that this is going to be a bit of an annoyance to try and cut.